kittens, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a journal with me in my 6-ring binder. However, this is also going to be a step-by-step guide, so be sure to grab your 6-ring binder and all the stationery you need, and let's get started. So first I'm going to decide which 6-ring binder to use. So I have my A7 binder, I have my A6 binder, and I also have my A5 binder. So I ended up choosing my A7 binder, and now I'm just going to go through the binder refills, and I typically either go with a binder refill I haven't done in a while or a color I really like. So I decided to go with purple, so I'm going to take these out. So now I'm going to go through my DIY sticker binder and see which stickers will complement the binder refills. And I'm already thinking I want kind of like a rainbow bear kind of theme, just FYI. So I'm going to keep going through and taking out stickers or stationery that I like for this journal spread. And then here are a couple focal stickers or points that I wanted to choose from. So of course I ended up choosing the rainbow bear, and then here's all the stickers that I plan on using. So now I'm going through the washi tapes and just seeing which one I think will further complement this journal spread. So now I'm picking between these two rainbow type of washi tapes, if you guys clearly couldn't guess that. So now I'm just trying out the washi tapes and seeing which one I like better on the purple binder refill. And I'm gonna go with the rainbow hearts. I think it's super cute, y'all. So now I'm just playing around with the layout of the journal spread, seeing what I like. By the way, there are some additional supplies you may need when creating a journal spread in your 6-ring binder. So here I am starting with the washi tape. I typically like to start here just because after that it's easier to continue decoing my journal spread. And when you add washi tape, it's completely up to you whether you want to add it to the top and bottom or just one side or the other. But I decided to do the top and bottom because I love some symmetry. So here I am working on the focal rainbow bear sticker, and I'm just going to take that and get it ready so it can be super cute on the page. And now I'm working on my title, and I decided to name it Happy Bear since the theme is rainbows and bears. So now comes my favorite part, and that is to go through all of my stickers and see what I really want to be a part of the journal spread. I'm so excited if y'all cannot tell. And these are some stickers I actually have on my EXO Rainbow Co Etsy shop that I'm using. I love them, they're so cute. And now I'm just going through with other stickers to complete the deco spread the way that I want. So this part is completely up to you, kittens. You can get creative in the ways where you place your stickers, where you want them to go, what kinds you use, if they're holographic stickers, if they're matte stickers, if they're glossy stickers, if you want the theme to just be bears, if you want it to be food and different animals and different deco shapes. Feel free, kittens, and enjoy. So I'm just going to keep decoing this journal spread, and I hope you guys continue to enjoy. So here's a quick sneak peek of the spread. So now I'm going to start writing on the left side of this journal spread, and I typically write about things related to the spread based either on the title or subject. But here I'm just explaining how I remember having stuffed animals growing up and really liking fluffy bears. So I'm officially done. So here I am just putting back my binder refills into my A7 6-ring binder, and I love this journal spread so much, y'all. I think it is so cute and it makes me so happy. So kittens, I had so much fun creating this journal spread. I think it is super cute, y'all. So be sure to share with me down in the comments below if you learned something new, or if you do your journal spreads is similar to the steps that I shared in this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet or hit the bell, be sure to do so down below. I love you all so much and thank you guys for watching. Adios, kittens.